always be happy. Always make him happy. His economy is just to carry out his purpose by dispensing himself into man. So, klaro kay may isuon nga gipakita gyud diri nga kuan gyud need sa Ginoo og group of people. Nya kini may isuon gihisgutan to kanina kaning group of people is the church. Nya kani nga church gihisgutan ni kining usa ni nga church na gyoy kinabuhi sa Ginoo. Gibuhata may isuon aron sa kasudlan o to feel with kasudlan og kinabuhi Dios may isuon. Diyon dili lang ini may isuon ato ning dalian may isuon kan. Sige, from numeral 2. Amen.
God before